So ladies and gentlemen, once again you're welcome back to our YouTube channel. In case it's your first time on this channel, please consider subscribing, hit on the notification bell so that whenever we post anything you get notified. Yeah, today we are doing we are actually showing how to use the K9 wireless microphone. The K9 wireless microphone. Yes, in case you've been watching my videos, you've seen me using this wireless microphone. Today I'm not using it because it's a demo video. I'm showing you how to use it on an Android phone or iPhone. So this is our K9 wireless microphone. It's a wireless microphone. Though it's not dual, this one is a single microphone. Very soon I'm buying a dual, and in that I can do interviews. This can aid me to do interviews. Yes, for the dual there are two microphones, one receiver, yes, then the two microphones. So this one is only one. It's for both iPhones. You can see iPhone and Type-C and Type-C phones. I don't think it is very clear there. I don't know whether it is clear. Yes, so this is our K9 wireless microphone. Yes, let us see how we can. Yeah, I bought it at how much? Around the 99, around 60, I think. Around 60 real. That is around 60,000 Ugandan shillings. Yes, so that's it. We're going to open it and show you how we use it. So just let me mount my phone. Actually, I did not show you this. This is the gimbal I was talking about. This is a gimbal, vlogging gimbal. Vlogging gimbal. You put your phone here. Put the phone here. Then there is also lighting. For the lighting is put somewhere here. Here. This one should be top. Oh my God! I have to squeeze it. Oh, let me do this. So you put the lighting here. Yes, it comes with its own bulb. Its own bulb. Then it has also excuse me. It has also a remote control. It has a remote control. Then it can also work as a tripod. It can work as a tripod, especially you can. It's not the tripod is not all that it's very short, so it's not all that. You have to put it on either on the dashboard. Yes, in your car you can put it on the dashboard. You can put it on the table. You get it? You can put it on the table or any high platform. Yes, you put it on any height so that you can get a better focus, or else you can use it to vlog. You touch here, then you go vlogging. You get it? So I'm gonna put the phone here so that we can show you how to use the K9 wireless microphone. In case you have the Type-C phone, yes, even the other phones that they have the small pin, I think. If you have that phone that has a small pin for the microphone, for the earphone, there is another K32, I think, K35, I think, if I'm not mistaken. It's called K35. That one also has, this one does not work there, but for the K35, it's the same price. You can buy and use that one in case you have that phone. For my phone is the Type-C phone. Type-C phone, it is the only one actually one hub for the charging as well as the microphone and the headsets or the earphones. You got it? Yeah, it has only one hub. So let us mount our phone here. Should we first pause the video? I think. So this is it. Let's do this. Check on time. Today's Juma. We need to go for prayer. So it comes when it is sealed. So you have to remove this. Then you remove it from its cover. This is our microphone. You get it? You remove it like this. You remove it like that. Put it down. We have our wireless user manual. Wireless microphone user manual. This is the user manual here. It tells you how to use. Yes. How to use it. Let me see. The whole of this side is written in Chinese language. Let's go this side. Introduction. Thanks for choosing our product. This product is a smart wireless microphone that provides professional grade recording output. Plug and play, no app required. Multiple use. It can be used in online live broadcast, video vlog shooting, program interviews, recording, video teaching, and other occasions. The wireless microphone consists of two parts. One is microphone transmitter, the other one is a Type-C receiver. As you can see on the diagram there. So this is it. Yeah. How to use it. Step 1. Connect the Type-C receiver to phone with the Type-C portal. The connection is successful if the phone displays a small icon. So the phone will display a small icon on top if you connect the Type-C. Where is the Type-C? I have to get it here. I have to get it here. So this is the Type-C. You see, if in case you've ever used the Type-C charger, this is the Type-C. If you have an iPhone, this is the one for the iPhone. But what you have to do, let us see. Then use the microphone to receive sound. For the use of Type-C port, there is no battery in Type-C receiver. There's no battery here. You don't need to charge this one, and no need to recharge during live. If the phone is low battery using live, it can be recharged directly through the Type-C portal. Yeah, if you're doing a live broadcast and your phone is running low, there is this one thing here. You insert your charger inside here. You get it? Yeah, insert your charger inside here. For those using the iPhone, this is not the receiver. The receiver is still this one, but you will need to you put this one inside here. You put the Type-C inside the iPhone like this, the iPhone charger or iPhone receiver. Then you insert this one into the iPhone. You can say you insert it into your phone. Then it will bring the sound into this receiver, and the receiver will have to connect automatically to the phone. Then you open your Bluetooth where? Step 2, press switch key on the microphone. The indicator light turns green and then power is turned on. So this is our microphone. The microphone needs to be charged. This hub is for charging. It uses Type-C charger. So you have to, this is the switch, Type-C, press switch key of the microphone. The indicator light turns green and then power is turned on. So when you press this one, the indicator turns green. You see the green flickering. It is flickering. So Step 3. The indicator red light of receiver keeps always on. Then open the phone camera, live app or other apps, and then use the microphone to receive the sound. You get it? You open the, once you put this one on, and you put this one in the phone. Immediately you connect this one to the phone, it will bring show the indicator, the red indicator. Once you put this one or you switch this one on, then it will automatically receive. Then you open the camera and you start to record. Special note, for the use of Type-C port, there is no battery. I already talked about that. Yes, how to use: press switch key once, press switch key about 3 seconds. Once it is taken by the cover is taken by the wind. Yes, low battery alarm, charging, Type-C receiver, everything is here. Microphone, transmitter, the Type-C receiver, Type-C charging cable, and user manual. There is a Type-C charging cable. Let me show you the charging cable here. This is the charging cable. It is inside here. You get it? This is the charging cable. Type-C. You can see it's a Type-C. So for the microphone, you can either just touch it here and start talking. Hello, how are you? How are you doing? Or you can put it somewhere on your shirt or your t-shirt, your blouse, your whatever you can. Press it there, then you start vlogging. Yeah, I hope this is very, very, very nice to you people. Thank you very much. In case it's your first time on the channel, please consider subscribing. Hit on the notification bell so that we post anything. The next video I'm gonna talk about the types of niche people can talk about on YouTube. How to choose a niche on YouTube. Thank you very much. See you there. Go and make vlogs, you people. Make videos on YouTube, TikTok, or any other platform. Thank you. I sign out.